Our awardee for Outstanding Public Servant, Honorable Voltaire P. Agas, Executive Vice President, Social Security System. He currently serves as the Executive Vice President of the Branch Operations Sector. His main responsibility is to provide overall direction for delivering effective, efficient, and quality services to members. Please welcome Honorable Voltaire P. Agas.
Lady Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation are given to our awardee.
I was looking into your program and I was deeply impressed with your team for this event. Ang Public Attorney's Office sa Bagong Pilipinas nagbibigay ng maaasahan, agaran, karampatang legal na serbisyo sa maralitang Pilipino upang isulong ang karapatang panlipunan. It reminds me of my great and wonderful years in the Public Attorney's Office. Yung tema nyo ay angkop na angkop din sa tema ng SSS. No? Natutuwa po ako na ang bawat SSS ay magkasangga sa pagbibigay ng social protection sa mga kababayan natin. Dahil gusto namin pagtanda, lahat magiging pensyonado. So, sama-sama tayo sa magandang bagong Pilipinas.
Another outstanding public servant, Honorable Rolando L. Macasait. To receive the award in behalf of Honorable Rolando Macasait is Honorable Voltaire P. Agas, Executive Vice President, SSS.